you can drift?
I don't know. Let's see.
Yeah, just like spin like twice around and try and get the feeling of the counter steer and the gas.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, there you go. Good. Okay. The e-brake strength, it depends on the speed you're going.
Yeah.
If you're going fast, you only need a little bit, but at these speeds, you need more. We'll switch real quick. That works. Try that. Get the gas more and just like throw it in there.
Okay. Now what?
Let's see. Let's get used to it then. If you can get it clean,
Yeah.
then let's head out to the track and we can do what I was doing over there.
Okay.
Maybe not the first one, but the one all the way in the back.
Okay.
Too much e-brake. Yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah. Better. Try that corner.
Yeah, maybe when like less people are here.
You are going a little bit faster,
Yeah.
so just a little bit of e-brake,
Okay.
less than you were doing. Take it nice and easy first, all right?
Yeah. That looks good though, right?
Yeah.
And I went.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're getting the hang of the drifting though.
Yeah. So not the other part, huh?
Yeah, now it's just it's basically polish it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That corner's really fun.
Yeah.
It's like you can't see anything.
Uh-huh.
And all of a sudden it's like right there.
Yeah.
Oh, drifting is awesome.
Now you know why I like it so much.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's fine. I was doing pretty good.
Yeah.
In a while, nobody found me.
I think it popped the tire.
Tire. Guess we're done for the day then.
Yeah. I got some good drifts. You got some good drifts.
The 8.6 is not enough. Yeah, that's why I was trying not to hit it. Just getting random shots, you know.
Yeah. I get it.
So, we got the car packed, ready to go back. That was a good track session. Brother got to drift.
Yeah. Brother got to drift.
Yeah. You got some good slides in. I got some good slides in. It's pretty good. We both learned how to use the e-brake and everything. I think next I'm gonna get the spin turn knob for this thing. So that'll be the next thing for my interior. Yeah, we'll be coming up to this track some more. I'll be sliding, we'll be sliding. Most likely I'll be coming up here with him. So if any of you guys work in Iwakuni, then there's a track right by it. So check it out. Anyways, that'll be the end of it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully I get to slide this car a little more, and the other one. But like, comment, and whatnot, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and take care.